Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Zenless Zone Zero game crashing or crashes at a startup on Android phones. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes. Now the first step is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your Android device, and once your device restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for Zenless Zone Zero app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Zenless Zone Zero app, and then tap on it. And if you find any update available for this app, then update it and then go back, launch the game and check. Third solution is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now switch to Wi-Fi if you are connected to mobile data, and then launch the game and check. And if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then launch the game and check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to a different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot, and then check Zenless Zone Zero app is working or not. Next solution is to force stop Zenless Zone Zero app. So tap and hold the app icon, then tap on app info, then tap on force stop and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to clear the Zenless Zone Zero app cache. Again tap and hold the app icon, then tap on app info, then tap on storage usage, then tap on clear cache and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then you have to also clear the data for this app. So tap on clear data. Now please take a important note over here. Clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if you agree, only then tap on delete to confirm it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to allow the background activity for this app. So again tap and hold the app icon, then tap on app info, tap on battery usage, and then check mark the first option, that is allow background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm, then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to update your device. So open settings, scroll down, tap on system and update, then tap on software update, and if there are any updates available for your device, then download and install them, and then you can go ahead, restart your device and then launch the game and check. Next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Super VPN, Ninja VPN, Windscribe VPN, Brave VPN, NordVPN, Express VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the Zenless Zone Zero app. So simply tap and hold the Zenless Zone Zero app icon, then tap on uninstall, and then again click on uninstall to confirm. Then just restart your device, and once your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Zenless Zone Zero app, and then tap on it, and then tap on install button to reinstall it. And after the Zenless Zone Zero app get reinstalled, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then last thing you must do is to check for the Zenless Zone Zero app server status. And if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance, or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve a Zenless Zone Zero game crashing or crashes at a startup on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.